In 2021, Australia experienced an unprecedented mouse plague that had far-reaching consequences across the country. The infestation, considered one of the worst in decades, emerged due to a combination of factors, including a series of favourable weather conditions and bountiful harvests that provided ample food sources for the rodents. Millions of mice swarmed farms, rural communities, and even urban areas, causing extensive damage to crops, stored grain, and agricultural infrastructure. The pests chewed through cables, machinery, and other essential equipment, exacerbating the economic impact on farmers and businesses. Efforts to combat the plague included widespread baiting campaigns, wherein farmers and communities deployed various forms of rodenticides. However, the mice proved resilient, and their rapid breeding cycles challenged conventional pest control methods. Overall, the 2021 mouse plague in Australia served as a stark reminder of the complex interactions between environmental factors, agricultural practices, and pest populations, and emphasized the necessity of a coordinated and multifaceted approach to pest control.